It was pretty true.
Seth, I had a burning question that I had to answer right now.
Fantastic.
Does whiskey burn in a lantern? Can we make a whiskey lantern? It's the most important question I think I've ever asked.
I mean, I feel like we can do it.
I think so. Well, I think we're going to put whiskey in a lantern. And if it works, then maybe we can actually make a lantern out of a whiskey bottle.
Ooh, I like it.
So I got a couple different toys to play with here. One is a alcohol lamp. So this is for, I don't know what for like science experiments. So let's just see if we can get this thing to light. Yeah. Kyle from Crowded Barrel Whiskey was nice enough to give me a whole bunch of whiskey heads. So this is the part of the whiskey that you don't really want to drink very much.
Okay.
But it's a very high proof.
I'm impressed with the precision.
Yeah. It'll probably just burn off.
Oh, still that candy corn.
Yeah, still got some of the corn. It's still corn whiskey. How much is the right amount? Is that the right amount?
Some good Mo Better.
Do a little dippy dip.
It has sort of a perfume look
It
to
does.
it.
We're just lighting perfume whiskey on fire.
All right then.
You get that lighter? Let's see what happens. Please don't kill me.
You know, all in all, somewhat less dangerous than I was hoping for.
Yeah, that's certainly not impressive yet. So we may need to dump this out and actually try with a little higher proof. Oh.
See?
Okay.
I'm mildly afraid. I like that better.
That's a lot different color. I wouldn't say that's lantern light, though.
It's going to be hard to get by on that much visibility.
Yeah, which we kind of expected, to be honest.
It does smell nice, though.
It does. Whiskey candle. We were shooting for a whiskey lantern, and we might have made a whiskey candle.
So long as you ever just stared at fire. Yeah. That was the answer I was getting.
All right. So the whiskey lantern idea has somewhat failed us currently.
1.0.
1.0. I think what we're going to need is a lot more surface area. So I think we need a much larger wick. Also, this one started to burn actually pretty good. Just small. So I think proof of concept, kind of possible, but not very spectacular. But I think a whiskey lantern is important for society. I think it's important. On this channel, there is no such thing as a failure. I mean, we screw up a lot. But nothing is ever a failure. You know why? Because we have alcohol, and we're going to burn it.
It's true.
So
Plus, we have Reynolds aluminum wrap, a veneer of safety.
Veneer of safety. So if we can't have a whiskey lantern, we can have a whiskey pool?
Well,
okay, everybody. There we go. And of course, the only way to light it
it's a shame it's going to burn out.
But we got a lot more. I mean, how many times do you think we could do this with our 2 gallons of high proof?
I feel like the veneer of safety would wear out first.
Dude, did you see those lines though?
That is crazy.
Where the sparker was like denting it somehow?
I didn't. The splash is what threw me.
Yeah.
Actually splashing liquid away.
I can't believe that didn't light it on fire as easy.
I wonder why the drag works.
Yeah.
Because it's not until you're pulling along and
I wonder if you're wondering if it's atomizing it a little bit, like separating it out. But you'd think it'd be evaporating. Oh, science. We may never know. Nobody will be able to tell us. Let's do it again. Oh, yeah. That thing is scary. Oh, man.
It's just so good. Are you getting a little bit of watermelon this time around?
I think it's the ionization
Oh,
mixed with the fire.
I feel less good with smelling it then.
You don't even like watermelon.
I don't.
So, if you know how to make a whiskey lantern, look cool, if you have any ideas, let me know. I want to do this again, but better next time.
Is that the table burning? It looks like it's on the other side of the foil. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
It was burning through.
So that might have been a failure, but you don't have to fail me. You can click that little subscribe button right now, and maybe this video over here, maybe it wasn't a failure. You're gonna have to click to find out. Or we'll just set more things on fire. Either way.